Hi students, let's continue with some more laws of Boolean algebra. One of them is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law of Boolean algebra, or we can say De Morgan's theorem. First law of De Morgan's is A plus B plus C plus up to n. The whole complement of this is equivalent to A complement dot B complement dot C complement dot up to n complement. Second law is just dual of it, A dot B dot C dot up to n. Whole complement is equivalent to A complement plus B complement plus C complement plus n complement. So these are the two laws. Now I am taking just two variables to make you understand how can we prove this law. First law, A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement. First one. For two variables, now let us prove with the help of truth table. Truth table is A, B. First of all, there are two variables, so two inputs and four possible combinations are the 0 1 0 1 and 0 0 1 1. Here A plus B, first thing is A plus B. A plus B is 0 plus 0 0 1 1 1, because at least one input is 1. Now their complement of A plus B, complement of whole 1, 0 changes to 1, 1 changes to 0. Right side, first thing is A complement the reverse of it, 0 changes to 1 and 1 changes to 0. Complement of B 1 0 1 0, the complement of 0 is 1 0 1 and 0, and now their product using AND gate, A complement dot B complement, 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. You can see LHS equal to RHS at all columns 1 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 0, hence proved. Same way you can also prove the second law of De Morgan's. This is with the help of truth table. We can also prove with the help of algebra, Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra means algebraically. How we can prove algebraically the same theorem if A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement. Try to understand. If I say y is the complement of x, if I say y is the complement of x, it means if x is 1, y will be 0. If x is 0, y will be 1. If both are complement to each other. If y is the complement of x, then their product will be 0 and their sum will be 1. So here I am saying A plus B, I am saying A plus B is just x. Suppose A plus B is just x, and this term, the whole term is y, and y is A complement dot B complement. So if I say this is the complement of this, then their product must be 0 and their sum must be 0. If we are able to prove this, then the theorem can be proved. So we can say that if product of, I am writing from here, if complement of A plus B is A complement dot B complement, then A plus B dot A complement dot B complement should be equal to 0, must be equal to 0, and A plus B plus A complement dot B complement must be equal to 1. It means the product of both the terms should be 0 and their sum must be equal to 1. Let us prove the first one. First one is A plus B dot A complement B complement equal to this one, the first one. Simply multiply inside. Mathematically you can do this, whole term will be multiplied with A, whole term will be multiplied with B. So, A dot A complement dot B complement dot B, this one, dot A complement dot B complement. A dot A complement is 0, 0 dot B complement 0. Same way B dot B complement are in the single term. So, 0 dot A complement 0 equal to 0. So, product is 0. Second one, this one, A plus B plus A complement dot B complement equal to 1. This one we have to prove whether this one is equal to 1 or not. So, multiply take the first one A, multiply with this, or you can apply, don't multiply, you can apply absorption law. Consider this one is x plus y plus z. We can take three terms. So, here is a simple plus sign, no need of applying absorption law, simply plus sign. You can remove the brackets. You can remove the brackets. A plus B plus A complement dot B complement. Now, you can apply the absorption law here. Here, when you apply the absorption law, B plus A complement dot B complement, or you can say B plus A complement dot B complement is B plus A complement dot B plus B complement. You can also apply distributive. So, better apply absorption law between this and this, or between this and this term. So, I am taking A plus A complement of this term and this term, applying absorption law in both of these terms. So, A plus B complement plus B will be there. Apply absorption law in these terms, we will get A plus B complement, finally B will be there. You can remove the bracket according to associative law, because signs are same. So, you can write A plus B complement plus B, and B plus B complement is 1. So, A plus 1 equal to 1, as proved. So, second equation is also proved. So, both the equations are proved, then we can say that A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement. This is the algebraically proof of De Morgan's theorem. Same way, you can also prove the second law of De Morgan's.